2-inch Quorum Remington ceiling fan. I believe this fan is from 1999, if I'm not mistaken. The tag is up there. I'm not sure what the date. I think it's 99. I got this off of Craigslist along with another fan for free. It's pretty dirty. I just got it. The blades are pretty disgusting. I'm not sure what the other finish is. I'm guessing it's maybe a dark cherry that has the oak side showing. And yeah, so I'll start it off on low. Bearings aren't the best in it, but it's okay. This is an early one too, so. And it was missing the mounting bracket when I got it, along with the other fan. But for free, I mean, I'll still take it. Not a bad amount of air. Really ornate. I really like the finish on it. Looks cool. Don't have the tripod today. I'm just making a quick video of what I got. I'll probably make a video of the other fan after this. Does a good job. The flags there are moving. Just pull chain there. It's moving. So it doesn't do a bad job. It's high. It does a very good job on high. So I'm pretty impressed with this thing so far. The motor rent's actually pretty big. I opened it up and looked at it. It's off. View of it. Again, sorry for the video being very quick. I'm trying to jam in some of the fans because I have a big backup of fans that I just got. And I don't really feel like being behind. But yeah, that's about it for this one. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.